At 6 a.m, the sky is still waking up. I'm at the petrol kiosk with my daughter, feeding my Volkswagen her first meal of the day. Premium petrol, full tank, zero worries. Cool breeze, quiet streets, the city is still asleep. Today isn't just any car meet. It's our annual traditional Chinese New Year gathering. When we arrive Dempsey Hill, the atmosphere is already buzzing. Rows of classic cars lining up under the soft morning light. Familiar faces, all dressed in red, for prosperity, good luck, and positive energy for the year ahead. Eng Ong Huala! Hey, alright, fist bump. Hey. Morning.
Just.
The man.
Hello.
Hey. Morning.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Hey, morning. Morning. Well, all the family here, fist bump. Morning. 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 Hello, morning. Fist bump.
Morning.
Alright, thank you. Alright, thank you. Alright. Morning. Make you famous.
Hey, morning.
Morning. Hi, morning.
Hi. Morning. Morning. New Year.
Yeah, alright, 6-7. You're good. After the safety briefing, everyone load up the car, start the engine, and roll out. We then rode in the convoy towards Sim Lim Industrial for the Hong Kong handmade dim sum breakfast. So many variety of classic cars. Great turnout, vitamins for my eyes.
Hello everyone, my name is Yamika. Today is my grandparents' helpers off day. My dad invited me to join him for our Chinese New Year breakfast drive. He needed an extra pair of hands to help look after my grandparents. My grandma has weak knees and my grandpa is dealing with a frozen shoulder. Our usual plan is to pick them up at dawn before heading to Dempsey Hill, but that would mean waking up very early. We felt it wouldn't be fair for the helper to wake up so early on her rest day. So instead, we dropped by Dempsey Hill for the meetup and briefing first so that my grandparents didn't have to wake up at the crack of dawn.
That's correct. So the old folks can have more rest. Don't have to wake up so early. A thoughtful branding is the best gift. We honor the ones we care the most. So we follow the convoy for a while, then make a detour to pick up my parents. Upon reaching my parents' place, with confidence, I told my daughter to stay in the car. I'll be back shortly. No big deal. Just go up, pick them up, and we are ready to go to the breakfast. But I was wrong. My mom was still in the toilet. My dad told me that she's in the toilet 3 times since 7:30 in the morning. I smiled. Elderly morning workout. Finally, when my mom is ready, my dad said he need to go toilet too. But after 10 minutes, false alarm. Patience is not an option, it's necessary. Eventually, we got downstairs and load up, but we have to open the top so that we can load the wheelchair. Thankful, the weather is kind to us. No rain, just a gentle sunlight, which is good for them because they hardly go outdoor anymore.
We skip to the good part.
You've arrived at your destination.
Ada ke ni? Thank you so much, Friends of Classic, for organizing this Chinese New Year breakfast drive. My parents enjoy so much. Beyond the delicious feast and the dim sum, it's the moment together that truly matters. Spending quality time with family and friends. creating golden memories this Chinese New Year. Wishing everyone 恭喜发财. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, do consider to subscribe and also check out our previous video. See you soon. Ciao.